What's up, my Credit Wealth Capital crew? This is Renata with Credit Wealth Capital. Please like, comment, subscribe. Don't forget to hit that bell notification button so you won't miss out on any information that we put out on every single Wednesday. Now, today we're going to talk about Navy Federal Credit Union Secure Credit Card. And don't forget to watch to the very end so you won't miss the bonus information I have for you. So, without further ado, let's get it. Okay, the first thing that you need to do to be able to get a secure credit card from Navy Federal is basically to get into the bank. Okay, now I did a video exactly on how you can actually get into Navy Federal Credit Union without being a military member. Okay, so just click on this link up above and it'll show you exactly how to do so. Okay, now the thing that you need to know about Navy Federal Credit Union Security Card is this is the easiest way to build your credit. Now, with Navy Federal Secure Credit Card, you could actually put a certain amount of money on the account. It really does not matter how much you put on the card. A lot of people get frustrated or they don't have no idea about how much money to put on the card. You could put as little as $200 or as much as $5,000. It really doesn't matter, okay? The thing that matters is how you actually pay your bill each and every month, okay? You want to pay it before the statement date, and the statement date is before they actually report to the credit bureaus, okay? And the credit bureaus again is TransUnion, Equifax, and Experian, okay? So you want to pay it before the statement date. Okay, now let's back up. Now, with your credit history, you want to make sure that your credit history, that you pay the bill on time each and every month, and that you pay it early and pay it in full. I always tell you this in all of my videos. This is how we actually build banking strategies with the bank, is beginning to do a secure credit card. Okay, now when it comes to the history of the card, you need to again make sure you pay your bills on time, make sure you pay it on the statement date, and then you make sure you pay it in full. Now if you can't pay it in full, now you want to use anywhere between 10 to 30%. Again, I told you that sweet spot is anything between 10% or less is that sweet spot, and that's where you really want to stay. But if you can't use only 10% of that limit that you put on the card, then don't go above that 30%, because once you go above that 30%, that raises a flag stating that you're using that card to actually live off of. And we don't want to live off of credit cards. We want to build credit wealth with these credit cards and let our money make money for us, or let other people money, which is OPM, make money for us. Okay. Now, the next thing that you need to do, the reason why we want to have a Navy Federal Secure Credit Card is basically to raise our credit score. Okay, there are millions of credit cards, secure credit cards that are out there. However, Navy Federal have one of the best ones that will actually help you build your credit in fast. Okay, now with the Navy Federal Secure Credit Card on about boosting your credit score, again, you can put anywhere between $200 to $5,000 on the card. But once that that primary trade line hits your credit report, that's when it actually boosts your credit score anywhere between 50 to 75 points on your credit score. So we want to get this card to actually build credit history on our credit report, as well as boosting our credit score. Okay, now we want to also build a banking relationship with these banks with this secure credit card. Okay, because this is the main thing we're trying to do, is just build a relationship get these credit cards and create financial wealth. Okay. Now, the next thing that you can do with the Navy Federal credit card is basically once the card uh, once the card matures and it becomes unsecured, you want to, it'll be anywhere between $1,000 to $2,000. Majority, they will give you a $2,000 credit limit once it matures. Once the credit card matures, then whatever deposit that you put on the card, that will be refunded to you or deposited back into your Navy Federal Credit Union savings or checking account, whichever that you prefer. Okay. Now, once you boost that credit limit up, don't go crazy now. That is a good thing. Now, after you get that once that unsecured graduate and become a secure, once it become unsecured credit card, then you can actually apply for a second card within that time frame. Okay. Okay, you guys. Now, first you got the secure credit card. It had hit your credit report. Now it done boost your credit, and then now you got the letter stating that your card is unsecured. Now, before all this happens, I'm actually going to show you step by step to how you can actually get the secure credit card. Okay, so here we go. Okay, now the first thing you have to do is go on to Navy Federal Credit Union. Let me go back to the beginning. Okay, this is the first page that you come to here. Now, the first thing that you want to do is hover over loans and credit cards. Then you go over here to credit cards, mash it, and then scroll all the way down to here. We want to build credit, so we're going to go here. Now, once we hit that, they're going to ask us a series of questions. Are you interested in a rewards card? Let's say yes. Do you want to travel or cash back? We want cash back. Okay, do you want merchandise too or just cash back? We want just cash back. And we want to improve credit. Now, all the other questions really don't matter what you pick, because if you need to improve your credit report, your credit score, then it's going to automatically give you the secure credit card. Okay. Now, if you have excellent credit or some other excellent credit, good credit, or average credit, then they will actually give you an option of what type of cards that you can actually get. And if you want to see what kind of cards you can get, then go ahead and choose those other options. Now, you can also scroll down and you see where it says pre-qualify me. You can actually hit that button and see exactly what cards that you qualify for. But if you have little to no credit, now we need to go ahead and go to need improvement. And this is the secure credit card for Navy Federal that they have. Now, this is one of the secure credit card that actually give you points towards each purchase that you purchase. Okay, they give you cash back. So once you hit this, you hit apply now. Now see, it comes up with this box and it states, before you apply for the reward secure card, your $200 minimum deposit must be in your Navy Federal savings account. Now, if you do have a Navy Federal savings account, you go ahead and click continue, and then you go ahead and log in to your account. And once you log into your account, you actually have to verify your information, scroll all the way down to the bottom, click the box, and then you can actually go ahead and qualify for your Navy Federal secure card. Okay, you guys, now that is exactly how you can actually go ahead and get the Navy Federal secure credit card. Now, I will actually go ahead and do this as soon as possible, because you know that Biden is coming out with this new thing trying to get rid of the credit bureaus. This is your time. You have to go ahead and clean up your credit report now. So that is actually how you can actually start building. Every day is a new day, so let's get this done. Okay. Bonus round. Okay, you guys. Now, for this bonus round, we're going to talk about how we can actually boost your credit 100 points within 30 days. Okay. Now, the first thing that you need to do is get a copy of your credit report. The reason why you need to get a copy of your credit report is because you got to know what's on it. You need to validate your name, the spelling, make sure it is correct. First, middle, and last name. Your address, make sure that it has your current address on file. And if it has any other address on there, wipe them out, delete them. Now, if there any address is attached to any good items that's on your account, then leave them on there. But any other ones, take them off. Same way as phone numbers. Make sure it has your current phone number on your account, as well as email address, just in case. Now, the next thing is identify any negative accounts on there. If it's something that's negative on your account, if it's not yours, dispute it. Get it off as soon as possible, okay? And also, inquiries. You should only have 5 or less inquiries on your account. If you have more than that, go ahead, dispute them. The quickest way to dispute inquiries, call them up. Don't write no letter. Don't be sitting on that paperwork. Just go ahead and call it and be like, hey, I got a copy of my credit report. This is what it says, and I do not know who is such. Or they promised me that I will get approved for this card, and I was denied. So that was false. They gave me false information, and I want it off my account. Okay? So once you do that, and also any credit cards that you have, and you have more than that 30%, pay it down as soon as possible and as quick as possible. If you have one job, get a second job and use that income to pay off your debt. You want to make sure all your utilization is less than 30%. And again, I told you earlier that sweet spot is less than 10%. Okay. And then do not pay anything that's in collections. If you have an account in collections, it's a done deal. Only way that you can actually get that off your report, if you can actually call them and tell them that you will actually pay for deletion. That's basically if you go ahead and agree on a certain amount, that they will actually take it off your credit report completely, like it was never there. Okay? Pay for deletion. And another way that will boost your credit is if somebody else has a credit card that's have anything 1,000 and above credit limit, let you be an authorized user on their account. Okay? That is the quickest way that you can actually boost your credit score fast, is be an authorized user on your account. Now, a lot of people do sell trade lines. I do as well. So just make sure that you pick the right person that's for you to help you build your credit with trade lines or with primary trade lines. Okay. So do your homework. Let's get this done. Okay. So my name is Renata. This is Credit Wealth Capital, and let's take credit to the next level. P.S. If you have any other information that you want to know about, anything that you would like to listen to or get any more information on, leave it in the comment section below, okay? Let me know what y'all think about what you want to know, because I'm here for you guys, okay? So again, please like, comment, subscribe. Don't forget to hit that bell notification button so you won't miss out on any information that we put out on every Wednesday, okay? So be you, be true, and let's keep moving forward. I'll see you on the next video.